No, because you guys can tell me what it's for before you do this.
Stop resisting.
Tell me why you're
resisting.
doing this.
Stop resisting.
Why the are you doing this, bro? Like, what? Get the off.
Right. No. Right.
On 24/11/2022, police dispatched to a residence to carry out a warrant service on a couple that had been on the run from multiple law enforcement agencies. When the girlfriend realizes that she's finally been caught, she has a total meltdown and completely embarrasses herself before going to jail.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going? You want to come out here for me?
Yeah, that's fine.
Anybody else inside the apartment?
Yeah.
13. I have Najee up here. Hey, go ahead. Both of you guys turn around.
Turn around for what?
13, can you come up here?
For what?
You go ahead and turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
What I do?
We had this discussion. Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
Alright, I got it.
You just set that down, we'll get that handled.
Alright.
You Rosalind?
Yep.
And place your hands behind your back.
What the is this even for? What is this?
The girlfriend begins to completely freak out once she realizes what police are there for.
Don't start.
No, because you guys can tell me what it's for before you do
Stop
this.
Do not
resisting.
start.
Tell me
Stop
why you're
resisting.
doing this.
Stop resisting.
Why the are you doing this, bro? Like, what? Get the off.
Right. No. Right. No. Right.
Stop resisting.
I'm not.
Hannah.
I'm not resisting. Please, I can't breathe. Please get the off of my head.
Don't swing on off.
Okay, I'm not. Y'all can't tell me what you're doing this for. Please, I can't breathe.
Oh, so now you can punch me in the face and then think you can breathe?
You can't tell me why I'm being arrested. You stupid.
Stop.
You know Bethany?
Who?
I know you.
Yeah, I know you too.
How do you know me?
Harley,
Can you tell
You
me?
good?
Can you tell me why?
you have a warrant because you didn't show up to court
I
and you're a
didn't
runaway.
even know that I had court. And listen, I've talked to Mansfield and they told me I wasn't missing. They literally came to my house like 3 weeks ago. Oh my God.
Well, you still got to go to court. You got anything on you?
I have a lighter in my pocket.
Anything else?
No. Nolan, they literally said I wasn't missing. I'm literally not even missing. Mansfield told me.
The boyfriend seems to be much more cooperative with police than his partner.
You got anything on you?
I mean, my phone, my keys, that's about it.
Go ahead and stand on this side.
Why the fuck would you punch me?
I'm just so scared. I didn't know what I did.
Well, okay, so when an officer tells you to place
I'm
your...
getting in trouble right now. Y'all didn't tell me why I was being arrested.
When an officer
Okay,
says...
but no one told me why.
All right, Rosalind, I'm not going to sit here
Okay,
and...
stop to me then. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you gotta let your stuff fall.
Alright.
You remember when I called you and I told you, right?
Yeah, that was... I haven't had her with me. This is the first day she's
This
been
is
with
the
me.
I've had
first time
numerous
I've seen
people say you guys been seen together.
I haven't even been in Shelby. Like, I've literally...
You weren't here last Friday?
I mean, I've been here last Friday, but...
With Rosalind.
No.
We have you on footage leaving here.
That was after the whole, like, missing bullshit, whatever. Like, literally, I've literally heard from her caseworker and everything else.
Okay.
Do you know when I'll have court? Or what the
Thing is...
Why am I getting
hold on.
arrested?
Oh, you have a warrant.
I
Okay.
didn't know that though. because
Okay, well, hold on. It's the Mansfield Police Department.
They told my dad I
well,
wasn't missing though. And
I think it's a different warrant.
for what?
I don't know. It's Mansfield's warrant. They just told us to pick you up.
I literally haven't done anything. And they
Okay.
told me I wasn't missing.
Okay.
The suspect was arrested and charged for resisting arrest, assault on an officer, and her failure to appear for her court date. The suspect's boyfriend was released without incident.